Hello scrapers! Have you ever wished you could read every App Store reviews for your app without scrolling endlessly? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to scrape App Store reviews quickly and efficiently, so let's dive right in. Head over to Outscraper and log into your account. To access this service, click on Services and search on App Store Review Scraper. App Store Review Scraper extract reviews from a list of apps. For this example, we will try to extract this app. Paste the App Store URL in the query box. Use limit per one query to specify the limit of results per one query. For this example, we will just be needing 100. Once everything is set, hit Export Reviews. Here you will be prompted by a window containing the information of your scrape. Hit Confirm and let Outscraper do its work. After the task is finished processing, you can click this blue button to download your file. Now you have a list of reviews from the App Store. Stop guessing and let the data speak. And that's how you use App Store Review Scraper in Outscraper. Head over to Outscraper and try our free tier. Happy scraping!